Okay, so let's go through the first one. So effectively, we've got a non-right angled triangle. We've got a side, an unknown side, and two angles. Now, what rule are we going to use here? The sine rule, right? Why are we going to use the sine rule? What's the condition for using the sine rule as opposed to something like the cosine rule? Yeah, good. We've got this kind of idea of matching pairs going on. So we have an angle and a corresponding side, and also an angle and a corresponding side, and that's the thing which we want to find. Okay, so it's the condition for the sine rule. We have this idea of matching pairs going on. Okay, so we want to find the side. So what version of the sine rule are we going to be using? Good, yeah, exactly. So it's the one with the sides on the top, right? So I'll just write the formula out first of all. We've got A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. Okay? And then we just stick in what we have. So, okay, let's say that A is the thing which we want to find. Let's call that A, in which case that is angle A. Okay? Therefore, that thing, let's call that B, and that must be angle B. Is that okay? And we just stick the relevant thing in the right place. So, okay, we have X over the sine of, okay, 30 degrees, is equal to B, which is 10, over the sine of 40. So I've just simply stuck the correct thing in the right place. Is that all okay? And then just do a bit of rearranging. So what must X be equal to here? Absolutely. So you've multiplied through by sine 30, right? So you have 10 over sine 40 is equal to, times by sine 30. All good? We start that in a calculator and see what it comes out as? 7.8? Do we agree? Do we all agree, or is it just Benazir? Let's just say 7.8. That seems reasonable, right? Because that's 10. That's got to be something close to 10 because that angle is not that much bigger than that one. Okay?